Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a high converting sales page using Poppy AI in just a few minutes. This tool is honestly a game changer. It helps you build beautiful, professional looking sales pages instantly even if you have zero design or coding experience. And here's a bonus. If you decide to try out Poppy AI, you can get up to $25 off using my affiliate link down below in the description. It's a great way to save while testing out everything Poppy can do. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own sales page ready to launch. Plus, I'll share a few tricks to make it convert even better. So if you're ready to start building and selling smarter, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. So first off is go to your Poppy AI dashboard right here. So make sure that you're logged in. And we have a ton of templates that you could check out right here. But of course, for us, we are going to make our sales page. So we'll start from scratch right here. So I'm going to go to the new board right here, which is on the top left side. Then click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once that is done, you will be brought to the board right here. And here on the left side is you will see the navigation menu. So we have the AI chat and we also have our social media content. So you could simply paste a link right here. So if I click on it, so you can paste any content from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook ads. Or to make things even faster, you could just simply directly paste the link to your content on the board. So just simply go back to the board right here and just simply paste it or using your Control V on your keyboard. And next is we also have our voiceover recording. So you can record anything that you want. So let's say you want to say something about your brand or your product. You can just simply record it right here. And you can also upload images if you want. You could also add text. And we also have the annotation feature right here and the website feature where you can just simply paste the website that you want. And you also have the mind map right there. So here is where you could put out your ideas and stuff. And we also have the document option. So you could also upload files if you want. And the group option to basically organize our ideas here inside the board. So at the top of the navigation menu is you will see the AI chat, which is basically the main thing here in Poppy AI. This is what will actually help us on making our sales page on this video. So you could either click on it right here or click on it here on the middle part. So I'm just going to simply click on it right here. And as you can see, it is now right there and we have a new conversation. So I'm just going to simply zoom out of the board just like that. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out, you just simply need to hit on Control on your keyboard and use your scroll wheel to zoom in and zoom out of the board just like that. And if you want to move right here on the board, you just simply need to click and drag on your screen just like so. Now, the next thing that you want to do is, of course, put your brand right here on our board. So I have an example, one right there. So what you want to do is just simply copy the link. So for me, it's the link, but let's say for you, it's like a document or something, or let's say a PDF or an image. You could just simply paste it right here also. But for me, I have the brand here on a website. So of course, I'm going to use the website option. So I'm just going to go with the website right here and this node will pop up. So I'm just going to simply put it right there and I'll enter the website URL. And I'm going to click on add website and wait for it to load. And as you can see, it's all loaded up just like that. I'll also add another one right here. So I'm just going to add this page also. And I'm going to use the website option again right here. And I'm going to paste the URL. And it's all loaded up. And the next thing that you want to do is we will now organize our content first. So let's use the group option that I have mentioned earlier, which is this one. And just simply put the elements right there inside. So you can resize it if you want. So I'll make it like this and resize it just like that. Now, once it's done, I'm just going to move it right here. So as you can see, it's already grouped up. And the next thing that you want to do is connect the node on the AI chat right here. And once it's connected, it basically has access to what's inside that particular element. So in this case is the website. So if you're having doubts, I'll show you that Poppy AI can actually check out everything here inside of the website that we have put. So let's try asking what are the contents inside, what are the contents on the website? So maybe just this. And the next thing that you want to do is just simply click on this arrow and wait for it to load. So as you can see, it has now answered my question. So based on the knowledge base, I can see information about How to AI's automation shop website. So it even copied the link right there. So as you can see, main content creation packages. So the website features a limited super sale and offers several digit content bundles. So as you can see, everything's right. So if I check it out right here, TikTok and YouTube, it's free. For the top 200, it's $100. So as you can see, everything is checked out just like that. And for the TikTok script writing prompts, it also checked out the website. So we have this one, and it even checked out the additional features just like that. So that's just actually a sneak peek on what Poppy AI can actually do. So that was just a simple question. But now let's move further on. So now let's name our group first. So to basically make things more organized. So I'm just going to name it my product, just like that. So next is let's start with our sales page. So for the sales page, I'm going to use Canva right here, and I already have a template, as you can see. But of course, you can also use other tools or websites. So there are a ton of websites that you could use, but of course, it's up to preference. So for me, I'm going to use Canva. And I already have a template that I have picked, as you can see. And I'm just going to go back here on Poppy AI and I'll create another group. And I'm going to name it template, just like so. Once that's done, I'm going to just basically get a screenshot of the template right here. And I'm going to paste it here on Poppy AI. So I'm hitting on Control V if you're on Windows. And as you can see, it is now uploading the image. And I'm just going to basically move it right here on our group, just like that. And while this is loading, I'll show you another trick with the AI chat. So you can just simply click on F on your keyboard or hit on F on your keyboard to show the AI chat on a full screen mode. You could also just simply click on it right there. So there's like a pop-up menu on top of the AI chat where you could simply full screen it, just like that. And if you want to minimize it, you'll see it right here on top, minimize chat, just like so. So I'm just going to resize this first, and we'll also connect it to the AI chat right there. And now let's create another group. And I'm going to put it right here, just below it. And for this one, I'm going to name it maybe tips and tricks, because the next thing that we are going to do is go to YouTube and we are going to find some videos on how to actually create a good landing page. So we are going to get some tips out of the videos. So let's search for how to create good landing page, maybe just something like that. And as you can see, 7 proven steps to build $1 million landing page. So I want this video. So I'm just going to simply click on the link just like that and copy the link, then paste it directly onto Poppy or to our board here on Poppy AI and move it to the tips and tricks section that we have created, just like that. Boom. And we'll also find other videos. So let's try this one, the perfect landing page design, and copy the link again and paste it into Poppy. I'll just adjust the group size right here to basically fit out everything, just like so, and resize it. And maybe I'll add 2 more, and maybe this one for the last video that we'll put, just like so. And I'll move it right here on our group. And once it's done, I'm just going to resize it again. Now I can exit out of YouTube. And now let's focus on our board right here. So let's connect this one to the AI chat. So now once everything is added up, let's now add a prompt. So first, let's have Poppy summarize the tips and tricks section that I have added. So I'll say get key insights on the videos under the tips and tricks section I have added. Just like so, I'm going to click on enter. So as you can see, it is now generating the key insights on the videos, and we have everything right here. So just like that, we now have the key insights on what we should do on creating our landing page. So this is the prompt that I will use. So now from the template I have added on the board, I want to use it for my product, given the changes I should do to implement my product, which is the ChatGPT prompts onto the template. Also make sure to use the key insights from the videos under the tips and tricks section. So I'm just going to simply enter it right here and wait for Poppy to respond. So based on your ChatGPT script writing prompts, product, and the key insights from the landing page videos, here are the specific changes you should make to the fitness template. So from the get moving to get healthier, I need to change it to get 10 times more views and sales. So I'm just going to basically copy this out and change this one, get moving to get healthier, to get 10 times more views and sales. and make movement a part of your daily life with mini workouts. It will change to create viral TikTok and YouTube content. So I'm just going to copy all this and paste it right there. And of course, adjust it so that the design will fit just like that. And I'm also going to change this to get my viral prompts now, and I'll adjust it to fit the page. And after that, you could just simply go through what Poppy AI suggests you to do. So you can do this section by section. So let's say this the first part of the page. You can add another image to the template part and ask Poppy again on what to change for that particular template. But let's say that you don't have any template yet, or you haven't started out making your sales page or landing page on any platform yet. So let's say I don't have this template yet and I want to start from scratch. There's an option right here on the AI chat to basically create a landing page for you. So as you can see, you can make Poppy AI create a whole landing page for you. But of course, this is only limited per plan. And for my plan, I only have 5 attempts on doing this. But if you plan on using it, so I already used one, and this is what it looked like. So this is the page that Poppy AI built for me. And if I click on this button, get instant access, it will bring me right here. So it will show its former price. So from $30, it'll be $4.99. You can save $25 off. If I click on the get instant access now, it will redirect it to the website just like so. And that's basically it. Just simply repeat the steps and process until you finish making your sales page. And after that, you'll have your very own sales page made with Poppy AI. But honestly, this is just the beginning. There's still a ton of stuff you can do with Poppy, from writing full marketing funnels to crafting product descriptions, email campaigns, and more. So don't be afraid to explore and get creative. The more you experiment with it, the more powerful your results will be. And if you have found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And don't forget, you can grab $25 off your Poppy AI account using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.